What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna start working on the Ford F150, the gray one, charcoal, which is my personal F150, my personal Coyote. We do have the giveaway truck right here, and we'll talk a little bit about it right now. But what we're gonna be doing to my personal Coyote today is we're gonna be installing a flame throwing kit. I've seen it in cars, I've seen it on other trucks. I've never seen it on a Coyote before, or at least not a 21 plus. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe there's some. I've never seen it, but I'm looking forward to that. I think it looks really sick. I think it's badass. Hopefully I do get what I'm looking for. I don't know how they're gonna do it, if they're gonna run new pipes to the back, or if they're gonna keep the ones on the side, the tips on the side. Well, I do have the exhaust right here, but after that we are gonna go and hopefully change the wheels. I told you guys that was gonna be the next video, but we had a little delay on that. But hopefully we can drop it off this week to a suspension shop and start working on that. But what I'm really undecided about is the paint. Whether I actually paint it or actually wrap it. The paint does need a little bit of love if I do decide to keep it. If you guys see, the bumper has a lot of rock chips. We are gonna get a new splitter. I put this one up, but the rock chip, like the whole bumper is full of rock chips. It does have this right here. This one is lifting up. This one is actually, the other side is actually worse. Let me show you guys. So you guys can see right here. So I don't know if I should wrap it, or if I should just repaint all the parts. The back bumper is chipping also. That one actually, my dad hit something the week I got the truck, and then finally it chipped off. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Should I wrap it? Should I keep it this color? What do you guys think? And then going back to the giveaway truck, guys, we do have about 2 weeks left. The deadline is August 15. You guys do have about, I think it's a little bit over 2 weeks, like 2 weeks and 3 days or so. But make sure you are shopping, get your favorite merch, get your favorite shirt. I always tell this to people all the time: get your shirts right now, because at the end we might be out of stock. You guys end up buying something you guys don't really like, or something you guys don't really need. So there's the time, because we've stocked in most of the stuff. The last day some stuff go out of stock, we sell out on some items, and you guys are wanting to get that item and it's gone. So last day to enter, August 15, guys. Make sure you guys shopping, get your entries. This is a badass truck. One of you guys is gonna take it home. Now let's go ahead and get out of here. We gotta pump some gas and get this truck ready. All right, guys, so we are on our way to pick up the truck now. We dropped it off earlier. I didn't stay, so I didn't get to record the process, but I'm gonna show you guys the final product. And after here, we're gonna go to a meet out there in Palmdale. As I already know, check out the trucks, the cars out there, and probably some burnouts at the end. It's way louder now. Mustang pulled up. I'm gonna check it out right now, guys. I'm actually really excited to see this. I think it's gonna be pretty sick. All right, so we're gonna go and throw some flames now. They're both gonna do it at the same time. Obviously, the Mustang I feel is gonna have a lot more, but it looks pretty sick. I like it. I like it. The last one was my first flame, my first time doing it. I gotta learn, but yeah, guys. Let me put this one to record really quick. All right, let's check it out. Got very little from mine, but I think it's just getting the hang of it. Like this first trick he does, so getting the hang of it, learning how to put the truck is different. All right, so pretty full house once again. Mostly cars, a little bit of trucks. We're gonna get some, go walk around, get some footage of the trucks. They're already getting active. There's some already burning out, so we're gonna for sure see some burnouts.